G'day YouTube, welcome to another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Today's video, watch Backup as he plays down by the riverbank on a big walk. Heaps of fun, so stay tuned and let's go. Backup loves a bit of free time to run around and roam and explore. Backup can't wait to explore down by the river. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the notification button, and let's keep going. Backup using all his effort on these slippery rocks today. A beautiful day for Backup to explore. Thanks for watching another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Remember, like, subscribe, tap the notification button, leave your best dog joke comment in the comment section, and we'll see you next time.